Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video thanks to the good friends we have at IAAI Auto Auctions. Check out all the cars, all the trucks, all the boats, the semis, and the RVs that could be yours. Yep, IAAI.com is the place to go. They have an app that's really easy to use as well. Today we're checking out some very cool cars, including, boom, this one right here. It's not your typical E-Class Mercedes. This one is a little special. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness, why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
So let me show you what makes it so special. It looks like a typical E-Class Mercedes. Okay, the W210 model. Till you get back here, it's an E300, which makes it a diesel. There should be an L. Yep, it's a diesel. These are amazing, good cars. Love, love, love them. I can't even tell you how many I've had. They just go forever. They are super comfortable, and I love the way they drive. Oh, this one may not have been on the road for a while. Look at that. Has not been on the road since what? When did we stop doing this, Oklahoma? Is this 91? 01? Holy man. Okay, there's an oil sticker. Let's just see what she looks like on the inside, okay? Aircraft Owners and Pilots Association, that is a good sign. If you are an aircraft owner, you take care of your vehicles. And somebody took care of this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, that is nice. I don't even know what year this is. Let's just kind of look and see real quick. This is a 97. And look at this. Okay. 2 keys. Let's put this up. Come on. Come on. Here you go. There it is. The seats look like new. The seats feel pretty good. Oh, look at this. They even have the lumbar support. Okay, here's how well it's been kept. No cracks or anything on the center console. The wood is in amazing condition. Oh my gosh, is this going to start? Do we have a runner and driver? Okay, that was for the phone. Let's make sure everything's off. And let's just see what happens. Come on. Oh, she wants to start. I know she does. She really wants to. And fortunately, I have a helper. Yeah, you can take the fuse out for that battery, for that telephone thing. Okay, we're going to give her a start because I can't resist these E-Class Mercedes. I can't. Even though the seat is weird, it's way up high and the steering wheel is way down low. Okay, let's just see if she's going to start. We're going to open the hood, say a little prayer, take out my friend, and give her a crank. Just in case you're wondering where the battery is for the E300 diesel. All right, here we go. I think she's going to work. I really do. And then I'm going to buy her up. I'm going to snatch her up because this is a cool car. It's going to get crazy good gas mileage too. Here we go. There's your annoying telephone sound. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let her charge for a little bit. Okay, here we go. We have gas. Got a full tank of gas. Oh, she wants to. She really wants to. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on, little girl. Yep, she's dead. She's dead. Well, we can't get her to start, so we're going to say see you soon. We're not saying goodbye. We're saying see you soon, because this would be a great, 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 great car. Yep. Thank you, E300. I got you in my eyesights. Got you in my crosshairs. You want to see what the inside of a 2015 Land Rover Range Rover looks like? I do. So we're going to check this one out. Yep, 2015 Range Rover that has been detailed. We're just doing a quick little walk around on the back, which looks good. I know the battery is probably going to be dead. Oh, well, okay. So we have some scratches. Wow, that's kind of cool though. Even there, that's kind of nice. I can't open it, or can I? Because someone's been in here. Someone's been in. Okay. Oh, let's just see how nice it is in here. Oh, yes, sir. Okay, we do have some glass, so we want to be careful about that. We don't want to sit on any shards. Look at the inside. Look at that. That is really, really nice. Okay, let's see how it feels. Ugh. Ooh, okay. Mikey likes it in here. You don't get a whole bunch of room, but what you get is nice. Okay, I still like how they have this. On the older ones, how it kind of came through the part of the dash right there. Now this is the major piece. I love it though. I really, really, really do. It's blinking. Is there power? I don't know. Where's the, I don't see a key or anything. So I do not see a key. Oh, okay. We're just gonna kind of check it out. Let's just see what happens. Nothing happens. Oh wait, here we go. Reposition smart key and press the starter. So we don't have the key. Yeah, there's no key. Doggone it. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Love it, love it, love it, love it. But no key. So there's no chance of starting it, and it's getting hot in here. But what is here is nice. Look at the sunroof on this thing. That's gorgeous. Yep, I do love these. Even though they have a horrible reputation, I do love them. They're just like me. I have a terrible reputation. No, I'm kidding. Look, the scratches went through. Wow. Yeah, you hit something hard. Some piece of concrete or something. Hard, hard, hard. Okay. Well, I can't show you too much. She won't do anything at all. Look at the back console. There is still some glass on the back seat. What a beautiful, beautiful SUV though. Love it. And how about a yellow, and I mean yellow, Mustang. Look at this. Easy fix, easy fix, easy fix, easy fix. Easy fix. It'll buff out. Yeah. I like the color though. I have to say, I've never really liked yellow cars. Although I like the tannish yellow of the older Mercedes, of course, because I'm an old guy. But this is a nice looking Mustang. This is really nice. Okay, we're going to put the bag down right here. Just kind of check it out. You know this will run and drive. Oh, well, okay. Wow. There's that. Still smells good though. It really does. All of the airbags on both sides deployed. Wow. One seat airbag deployed. Isn't that neat how that comes out from there? And it just busts through the stitching. How cool is that? Okay, let's kind of get in here and just see what we're dealing with. Oh my goodness. Once again, sparkly rings surrounding things. Okay. I don't know. Let's just see what's going to happen. I don't anticipate anything. Yeah, she's dead. Doggone it. She is dead. And my jumper pack is dead as well. But look at this steering wheel. Look how they were leaning back. Woo! Enjoying the ride till they hit something. But this is nice. Like the carbon fiber touch here. I like all of this right here. This, kind of iffy. You get an extra little wire tire thing right there. Here's your key, which is pretty cool. Oh, you're gonna need a windshield. Yep. Next oil change due 6/2 of 22, 88,000 miles. 88,000 miles. Put in 2 curtain airbags, get a new seat, or get a new seat airbag on eBay and stitch it back up. And you can drive her, and you just get that quarter panel fixed when you need to. I don't know. I like this. I had that red one, remember? Yeah. That was really popular for the channel. Super popular. Is the hood already open? Let's just kind of see very quickly. Yeah, the battery's gone. It is another hot day. But you know something I figured out? It rained yesterday. So if you come out the day after it rains, all of the vehicles look like they just got washed. And they did, by Mother Nature. Okay, sweat dropped in my eye, so hold on. Oh, that hurts. I can't even see. Okay. That's the engine. Very similar to what I had in my little red Mustang. Yeah, I put that on eBay. Not eBay, I put it on Facebook Marketplace. So many people responded to it. So I had like 52 messages. It was a good looking car. It was really a good looking car. I had to fix the hood, but that's okay. I like the yellow. I really do. Can you save the bumper? I don't know. I'm going to try to save another bumper. This part, probably. This part, you could probably just tap out. Tap, 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 tap out. This is your problem. Other than that, I love it. I really like it. Okay, we're going to take a note of the lot number, and we're going to watch this one as well. Ooh. All right, that's going to do it. Yep, we're a little cattywampus right here today, folks. It is hot, but it is starting to cloud up, and temperatures are coming down. I should have come out earlier or later, but coming out around noon, not so smart. The heat of the day gets to your brain if you're really, really old. Love it. Love it, love it. If it comes between this and the E300, ooh, tough choice. The diesel, I love the diesel. I really do. I really love the diesel. I'm liking the yellow as well. All right, folks, that's going to do it for another video. Thanks to the good friends I have here at IAAI Auto Auctions in Oklahoma City. There's also a location in Tulsa, and of course, throughout the U.S. You can go check it out online and bid anywhere. You don't have to have a dealer's license. Yep, you can be a public person just like me and buy some really cool cars for very little money. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you again in another video very, very soon. Bye-bye.